Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how to on guys super power saving mode setting in our Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to on guys your phone super power battery saver settings. So how can you on and how can you use? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone battery lab setting guys, tap on battery lab guys. Friends, click on your ultra power saving mode setting guys, tap here to on it. So guys, tap here to on it. Friends, you can see this ultra power saving mode will on in our Tecno phone. So guys, we cannot use guys, we can use guys this only phone calls, messages and calendar guys we can use from here. So like that guys, we can turn on guys this ultra power saving mode setting, and guys we can save our battery guys when we don't have battery in our phone, and guys we are outside. So guys, we can in on guys the super power saving mode setting and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.